my channel. So new wig that I am putting on today, and this one is from Unice. It's a VPart, y'all, and VParts have literally become my favorite wig ever. One, because they're super beginner friendly, they don't require glue, you don't have to worry about losing your edges, and they're basically a sew-in without the work, without having to sit down and get the braid down and then get the sew-in and then get the leave out fixed. All of that, you basically just put the unit on and then have to worry about your leave out. And because it's a V part and not a U part, it's a tiny amount of hair that you have to he needs his toenails cut. Because it's a V part and not a U part, it is the tiniest amount of hair that you have to leave out. So especially if you're doing a straight one, then you don't have to worry about too much heat damage. And I got this in a size small, y'all. So you know, U parts and V parts be so damn big for some reason. But if you go into the comment section when you go to checkout, you can request a small and get it in a small like me. That way it hugs your head a little bit better and it's not like a droopy diaper behind the back of your head. So this is the one that I'm about to put on, and I think I'm going to be wearing this one a lot because I'm about to try to grow my hair out again. If you want to, you can definitely do a braid down or do like straight backs with this unit, but I'm not about to do all that. I'm gonna section out my leave out and then I'm going to put the rest of my hair in twists because that is so easy, and if you don't know how to braid, then it is perfect for you. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So this is the construction of it. And it has the clamps on the inside, and I'm happy that it has the small ones and not the big old clamps because those are just too big for this. So the tiniest amount, that's probably too much. And then I want to shape it into a V. Okay, so this is the V that I'm leaving out. And then you guys know that I like to put two little anchors on the side so that the clips have something to clip into. So I want to take just a thin little section like this. And then I'll leave the front, this little piece out. And I'm just going to braid this. And this just gives, if you don't know how to do cornrows, this is perfect. I have on press on so I don't feel like make it'll pop off, but this just gives the hair, the clips, something to hold on to so that they don't slide down. So this will keep it from sliding down because the hooks will go into here and they won't be able to like move, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Gosh, my scalp is dry. And then you just have two braids like this. So now the rest of my head, I'm just gonna put in a bunch of twists so I can put some cream and some leave-in in it, and I can oil my scalp. So I'm just going in with a little bit of leave-in. I'm not going to do cream because I literally still have cream in my hair.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you.
And now I can oil my scalp underneath. So I finally have my oil coming out, you guys. So this is just a sample for me, but I'm gonna have oil added to my line. So I'm testing it out right now. So I'm just gonna take this and just oil everything. Not too much, but just enough.
Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time.
And then I like to take the little clips that come on the side and just slide those in. So these. To get the curls to like loosen up a bit and get it to have a little more shine and to get it to dry quicker, I'm only going to go in with the mousse. So y'all know a lot of body is my favorite. I use this for everything and it will dry fast. It will have shine to it and the curls will still be defined without having to put like a bunch of water and gel and a bunch of products in it.
Baby, give me yours so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page.
Actually, I forgot I bought this Got To Be glue. Ignore the hair on my hands. I bought this Got To Be glue mousse a long time ago and I forgot about it. I've never used it before, so I actually want to try this. It's called Kinkier and it says double curling power, double curling power gloss and define curling mousse. So I'm gonna try this out. Oh, it feels different. Oh yeah, it's working better on the ends than a lot of body. Oh yeah, I like this better than a lot of body for curls. I kind of want to try it on my real hair. Let's see.
You in a text voice, note or an emoji, waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land, and we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment.
And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the front pieces of my hair and twist it into the fake hair.
Text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call.
So I'm going to diffuse it a bit and then I want to shape it.
Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
Okay, so I didn't need to twist it. I feel like when I twisted my hair, it made my hair like kind of straight. Like I know my hair is not this tight, but like it could blend better than this. Like, oh shit. So it looked better when I just like let it curl up. I know I still have heat damage a little bit on the ends, but I think it looked better without me twisting it. Okay guys, so next day I just want to show you how much better it looks today. So I was not satisfied with it yesterday because obviously my curls are a little bit looser than the texture of the unit, and I thought it was closer than that, especially from the pictures, but I guess not. So I let it completely dry. I raked through my hands a little bit, like through the top a little bit, and it blends so much better. And this right here just did it for me. So again, I'll have everything down below for you guys in the description box. I just wanted to pop in and show you guys that I'm so much happier now that it's blending better, and it just, the overall look just looks and feels better to me. So I'll have everything down below for you guys in the description box, and I will see you in my next one. I really like it.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call.